everyone, I'm Nisha Sanjeev with you. Today we shall discuss 2 steps to overcome stress. We are all stressed out all the time, most of us, isn't it? Stress is a new buzzword. We are stressed about family, about kids, about health, about jobs, about finances, about economy, about politics, about COVID. Name it and we are stressed about it. So let's see 2 steps in which we can overcome stress. So before we dive into that, let's see what exactly is stress. Stress is nothing but a feeling, and feelings are results of emotions, and emotions are a result of consistent thoughts. When you have a consistent thought over and over and over again, that settles in as your emotions in your cells, and that expresses as your feelings. Then that can be either pleasant or anxious, and stress obviously is on the negative side, that is gives you anxiety. So now, why do we get stressed? We get stressed when we do not accept the reality, when we push against the reality and think and expect it to be different. That is when we get stressed. So we get stressed when we do not accept a reality, when we do not accept what is. Now here's the thing, by accepting what is doesn't mean that we need to love it. If you don't like your job, that doesn't mean you should start liking it. By accepting that you don't like your job, that doesn't mean you should start liking your job. If you are in a bad relationship and you don't like it, doesn't mean you have to go hug the person. No. Right? It's just that you have to accept the reality that you are in. For example, as I just said before, jobs, because that is the common example that matters to anybody and everybody. If you are in a job that you don't like, if the job is stressing you out, accept that reality that you don't like the job, you hate the job. Don't make it about another person. Don't say, oh, I don't like the job because my colleagues are backbiting, my boss is a Dracula, the management is manipulative. No, that may be the fact. Those may be the reasons why you don't like the job, but don't over and over again say that, repeat that in your head, say that to other people. No. Accept the reality that you don't like it, you hate the job. And once you've accepted it, start taking action. Either mend the ways and stay in it, or find an exit strategy, whatever works well for you. That's another topic for another time, how to change your jobs, how to find the job that is right for you. It's a huge topic some other time. Similarly, relationship. If you are in a relationship that is stressing you out, accept the reality that you hate being in that relationship. It's not about your partner or your spouse having an extramarital affair, or they're abusing you, or they're not respecting you, or they're not rising up to your standards. Those are the facts, those are the reasons why you don't like. So don't focus your energy on that. Instead, accept the reality that you just hate being in that relationship. And then from that point, it will be easier for you to think and take action. Either talk it out and stay in it, or walk out, whatever suits you. Right? So this is how you can manage stress in the first step. So when are we stressed? We are stressed when we do not accept the reality and we want it to be different. We are stressed when we do not accept the reality and we start focusing our energy on others, when we start focusing our energy and blaming others for the stress that we are in. That's when you get all the more bogged down. So stop blaming others, stop seeking excuses, and stop self-pitying and take action. Because stress is nothing but unwanted, unhealthy energy expelled. So taking action will give physicality to that energy, physicality to that piled up unwanted energy, comes in when you start taking action. That's when you start feeling good physically, emotionally, and mentally. And this is one of the many reasons why people do not manifest things quickly. Because if you want to say, for example, same example, let me take, you want to manifest a better job, you want to manifest a better relationship, or you want to manifest better, more money, and you start stressing about it, no matter how much you're scribing and journaling and visualizing and vision boarding that you do, you are not going to manifest it with ease. Because stress is nothing but unwanted, unhealthy energy that is low vibrate. On this note, let me remind you that I'm conducting a free webinar on conscious manifestation on October 29th, that is Thursday at 4 p.m. UAE time. Those of you who are interested, please join me. The registration link, I will leave it down below in the description box. You will learn the 3 keys to easily, quickly manifest your desires and your dreams. And those of you who have attended this free webinar before and want to join in my next batch, the next batch starts on November 1. Every Saturday of the month, we meet and we learn the tricks and the tips and the tools and meditations to manifest your dreams and desires. So having said that, coming back to our topic, 2 steps to overcome stress. Number 1 is to accept your reality, and number 2 is to take action. As simple as that. Until next time, be happy. God bless.